The most important result of innovation is that it allows us to make people happy. At Subaru, innovation includes EyeSight, our advanced driver assist system that uses stereo cameras to help drivers react to situations as fast as they happen. We are partnering with Dell Technologies to enable AI for the next generation of EyeSight by combining AI inference with traditional image recognition logic. We are using Dell PowerScale storage for sensor data and images captured to improve EyeSight. PowerScale can ingest and process massive amounts of files efficiently so that we can store and manage 1,000 times more files than before. Dell PowerScale enables us to unlock the full potential of AI by providing the scalability, performance, and reliability needed to innovate. At Subaru, we are committed to providing enjoyment and peace of mind to our customers. Dell is helping us harness the power of AI to improve the automotive experience of the future.